Hi. Welcome to a brief overview of the assembly of Westbury's optional post wraps cap and base. First, align the corner pieces as shown, ensuring they are square and tied to the corner of the post wrap. Using the supplied screws, attach each corner to the wrap. On the right side of each opening you will see a small spring inside the corner piece. Insert the first filler piece at an angle and press it against the spring. Once it has cleared the left edge corner, allow the filler to rest against the wrap and let the spring push it behind the left corner. Repeat for the remaining 3 fillers.